Hello, my name is Scott and this is Antoine. We're from GMC Software Technology. GMC Software Technology makes software solutions that help improve the way you engage with your customers. Today we're here to debut our newest product, the GMC Inspire Dynamic Statement. This is a printed customer statement. This is not terribly innovative, but you're sending millions of these out every month at considerable cost and expense. Today, Antoine is going to show you how we can upgrade this simple customer communication into a better experience using the GMC Inspire Dynamic Statement. Now, as Antoine opens up the app, we will see that it's the same information that's in the statement that GMC can create winds up being in this app. Marketers will appreciate that the look and feel to the printed statement is very similar to the Android application. We're taking a look at some of the transactions. As you see, the summary table looks similar. We can look at the grocery transactions that are isolated here. The design enables people to see the full transaction very easily and navigate with your fingers. As we move away from the transactions, we can see the bonus program. In the bonus program area shows an element that GMC Inspire Dynamic Statements have brought responsive design in. As we see a summary table, when we move it over, it becomes a chart that allows us to see the data in a different way. As we export the documents, we can look at the PDFs that are available. Every dynamic statement has an embedded PDF. For some of your users who may not be comfortable with an app all the time, still have access to a PDF that's available, secure, and available at any time. We also have some contextual menus. We can offer somebody the chance to make a payment or integrate with other transactions. And we can also look at the social media feed and engage with elements of customer contact. So we can have the bank call me back, let me call my bank immediately, or look at the social feed to see what's going on. Now, the phone is a great way to engage with customers, but it's not always the device of choice. So Antoine is going to move to the app, which has the exact same GMC Inspire Dynamic Statement file. But we take more advantage of the full real estate that the tablet has to offer. So as Antoine logs in, we'll take a look at the left where we can select from a variety of different dynamic statements and even personalized messages. We're going to start by looking at the credit card statement. The first thing we'll notice in this account summary page, the overview, is an integrated video. This could be placed by marketers to pick information that can guide the customer or give an upsell opportunity. But right now we can see how the charts interact with each other, letting the types of transactions highlight, giving the customer a picture of how they actually spent their money. This is a full statement, has all of the information that a normal statement would have, but it allows the user to integrate and go through. We can also isolate transactions. We can sort transactions by type, highlight ones that are of interest to us, and quickly find out information about our transactions that have made sense, exactly like a monthly statement would do. We also have a more detailed view of the bonus system. In this example, we can see that we've pulled data from multiple systems, which is very critical for banks who grow through acquisitions. We can pull data from multiple systems in multiple formats to create fully responsive interactive designs with our statements. We can also view our documents. And in this case, we're going to take a look at the PDF because some people want to see what the document would look like and have something that they can archive and export that's more static and stable than an app. So the last thing that we're going to do is Antoine is going to export one by HTML. So while he creates an email for himself so he can send out his HTML statement, I want to talk a little bit about personalized messages. Over on the left, the green special offer was put in there by GMC Inspire to allow marketers to target their customers with very specific messages. In this case, we're trying to get a customer to sign up in addition to their credit card for a savings account. We can integrate marketing and PR efforts with the transaction efforts in a single statement that deepens your relationship with the customer at a transactional level. Now, as we move away from the statement, we're going to go quick to Antoine's PC, where we view the dynamic statement that was just sent. As we have seen the paper statement, the smartphone, the tablet, and now we will see the HTML web version of the exact same file. This was created one time by the GMC Inspire platform, enabling us to deliver all the channels, print, web, email, mobile, and social, from a single software platform. Now, what does this mean to you? Today, you probably have tens, if not hundreds, of separate application silos within your business. Projects have accumulated year by year, channel by channel, and you're maintaining an incredible amount of software assets. With GMC Inspire, we can consolidate your communication projects by sharing assets across print, web, mobile, and social communications from a single consolidated platform. Now, what this means for marketing is when it's contained in one source, you can become more adventurous marketers. From the IT perspective, you can start killing those shadow IT projects that have been creeping up channel by channel, year by year. But the best part is for the customer, because time after time, we found out that it's not an incentive to move somebody to electronic communication, or a penalty for them to keep print applications, or an appeal to their environmental sensibilities to move off of print. What works is a better experience, and what we've shown you today is a better experience to help move from print to electronic applications, customer by customer, so you can better engage with your customers. Hopefully we can engage with you at our booth, and we look forward to the rest of the conference. Thank you.